Hey y'all, I'm gonna unbox something I got from Amazon. I hope everybody's doing well. Look y'all, hold on one second, I got my great grandson here with me while my daughter run an errand and do some things. So y'all know how that is. But I got this Samsung Tab 6 and look, it's time for a change. So I goes down, I've been looking for a cover. So I said, let me go on in. So voila, I hope this fit, y'all. So let's see. Let's see what we're working with here. And I was gonna wait, but I said there's no time like the present, and I hope it fit, y'all. Here it is. Protect your device with ease of operation. Before you open this packaging, please scan the QR code for watching installation video. Y'all, okay, well, I'll do that. Let me scan the, y'all don't. I don't know nothing about scanning no damn QR code. See, let me put you on pause while I do, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, I don't know nothing about tapping no QR code. I put my phone to this code and nothing happened. But y'all know what? I should have sense enough. Because I had one before, but my daughter did all that. And that's it. I'm going to let my daughter do that. I don't know nothing about this. Because I know if I try, I'm going to mess up. But that's it. Okay. Separating front casting from, what'd you say you got there? I don't know, y'all. They make all this stuff then for people like my age. We try to do it. You got to say it for a young person to do it for us. Now, I can get on the computer, get on my tablet, play games and stuff like that. But when it comes to scan the QR code and doing this and doing that, I don't know about no dang plain QR code. But anyway, I got this, and if I don't like it, I will be sending it back. If my daughter can't do it, I know she can do it. But I didn't want this kind of case, because I would be in bed using this case and it slide right out. And y'all can see I need a new screen protector. See there? And it's cracked. I got another one. She gonna have to do that if she got time. If not, I'll save it to when my grandson is over. And I'm sick of this. You know, I wish I had my little pen thing that go in there. But y'all let me know if you think I can find the pen that fit to that. Or Mike can go to one of those places and order one. Yeah, but that's what I got, and it got a kickstand. That's the main thing I'm wearing it for. It got a kickstand on the back, and I'm not messing with it. Look like it got a place. Oh, I can put my other little thing back there. I have a little, like, y'all know what I'm trying to say now. It just won't come to me. I have a little pen like, I'm going to forget it. But I don't forget it. I have the word is in my head, y'all, but it won't come out my mouth. I know the word I want to say. It's not a pen. If the word come to y'all, please type the word in the comment that I'm looking for. It's not a pen. The word I'm looking for. That's all right. Okay, y'all, the word I was looking for is stylus. Okay? So, this one has hopefully, the one I bought a stylus from Amazon. And let me see if it. Yeah, okay, y'all. My daughter came. Say hi, daughter.
Hi, daughter.
You sound like Roman. Anyway, this is it. She put it on. It has a kickstand. And I couldn't think of stylist. I bought this from, where's the top? So where's the top to this? It fell off somewhere. It's in here. I bought this from Amazon. There's another one, and one of the tips came off, and my husband changed the tip. But yes, it does fit in here. That's how we dropped it off. I picked it up, and the top one on good. But it snaps in, see? Look at that. Snaps in there good with plenty of room. Yeah, could slide it down with the cap on. Okay. There you go, y'all. Unicorn beetle. Ooh. Subcase. Uniform Beetle Pro. Okay. I was so tired of it falling out. Hand me the other.
It's live.
Yeah. No, I'm making it get it. Give me the other.
Well, just hit me in my head with it one day.
I will. Give me the old thing. Let me do this. Compare the old case. She getting the old case, and it had a screen protector up there, and I dropped it so many times that it broke. It kept sliding. I'll be having the tablet at night, trying to watch YouTube or do something, and it will slide out the case. And this is the old case. So now I got Beetlejuice Pro Subcase. You say, what's up? Okay, so that's the unboxing of my new, ooh, this thing is heavy. And it has a screen protector and a kickstand. And I'm going to find the top to his style. Y'all, it really hurt me that I couldn't figure out what stylist would. It wouldn't come on my mind. But anyway, that's the end of it. The lollipop done start to sing, so I know it's time to go. What is this? Vanessa Brown? Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching my video. Go on Amazon, check it. Whose phone is that? Phone ringing. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. And look, come back for the unboxing of what's in here. Okay? All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Please like, share, and comment. And let me know if you ever heard of this case. If you need one, go to Amazon and check out. Okay? I had never heard of them before, but hey, I was going for some people said cheap. Now here's somebody said, don't say cheap, say economical. It's economically cheap. All right, y'all. And I thank you for hanging with me. And when I started this and didn't know how to do QR code, my daughter came in and showed me how. Hopefully, I'll retain it in my noggin. Because my son who passed away told me that when you learn something new, you get another crease in your brain. So I congratulate myself for getting another crease in my brain. All right. Okay, y'all. Till next one, I'll see you. Thanks for coming and watching my video. Please share. All right? All right. Love you. You can't do nothing about it. All right. I got these cards from Amazon when I got this thing to hold my tablet right here. So I'm gonna attach this to the video. Well, you'll see. But anyway, these are fast charging cards. I bought these before a couple of years ago, but now the other one I bought, they had went their life, and I forgot how many feet these are, but they are very long. And I done got here and can't open it. But there's no company or anything. It says Type-C plug, Type-C cord, blue and purple. So I don't know what company it come from. All I know I got them on Amazon. they'll see. And the other ones I had when I bought them the first time, you got 3. Let me see, can I open it? Hold 1 second. Okay, I got it open. Okay. Now, this purple is my favorite color. I'm sorry about the noise, y'all. Hey, let me tell y'all something. These little twist ties that come up, y'all, I say these things, they are useful around the house, y'all. Just a little plug. If I put something in the freezer, say you open a bag of French fries and it don't come resealable, honey, if you say some of these are longer than the regular bread ties. It'll go around, honey. I keep me a little container up on my microwave or somewhere, and I say these puppies, I sure do. But anyway, I don't know if these are long. Oh, yes, they are. As long as it's about 6 feet long. Yeah, I think it's 6 feet or close to it. And they are fast charged. The other ones were, they look more like the other ones was like, one was orange and had little black, orange and black, but orange was the base color that you ordered by. It was 3 in that set. This time I only 2 came in. I think these 2 was $9.99. And those little cards you get from like Family Dollar or Walmart. And in a pinch, I have used some from Dollar Tree, but they get hot and they don't last as long. These do charge fast. So I'm going to put one of these in my bedroom. From the 3 that I had bought a couple of years ago, only one is still in operation. The rest of them went kaputs, you know. I think President told you about the word kaputs or something. I just had to throw it in. A shameless plug. But anyway, I have a green one. I bought a fast charging card from Dollar Tree a couple of weeks ago. I think it was red and white with a little black through it. And y'all, it really does charge fast, but I know that's only going to last a couple of weeks. So anyway, so I got these. And I'll add this to the video. But y'all, come back when did I already do it? Well, I'm gonna re-unbox. Ooh. Okay. My daughter's here. She's gonna do my hair. All right. Okay, y'all. But anyway, in my other package, I got this and these 2 cards. Okay. All right. Till next one. Bye. And I'm sorry I had to do it this way, y'all, but I forgot all about these cards. All right, till next one. Bye.